So one of the things that you can do while you're working with Affinity is you can go ahead and convert out your shapes to curves as well. So to do that, if I were to actually go around over here and bring in, let's say for example, this particular shape right here, then this is what you have. This is a straight line, as you can see. I can go ahead and, let's say for example, increase out the size of the edge right here. And right now this is a fixed shape. But if I want to actually go ahead and convert it out into curves, so I can go ahead and select out a shape for that, and over here on the top you can see that convert to curves is an option. Let me just go ahead and click right here, and now what you can simply do is you can click and drag the points wherever you want. You can also go ahead and click somewhere else and then bring in another point right here, just like this. Apart from that, if I were to go ahead and click and drag the line right here, you can actually see a curve that comes in right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and make any shape as you like. Click, and there you can add a point and drag this wherever you want. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and make it like a straight point. So as you go ahead and click on the point, you can go ahead and click on convert to sharp right here. You can go ahead and click on convert to smooth right here so that you get more of a smooth line right here. And you can also go ahead and convert to smart right here, so that depending on the as right here, you can see that it smartly bends out right here. You can even go ahead and select out all and convert them all to points, or you can convert them out all into smooth or into smart right here. So you can convert them all to points, and you can see that as I convert them to smart, you can see that they become like, let's say for example, a smooth object right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and convert out shapes to curves inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.